Hi, this is Naganaresh Babu, EGT Mathematics, AB Balaji Gurukulam, Pamaru. Today we have discussed about the topic triangle and its properties. Triangle and its properties. Triangle and its properties. How to define a triangle? How to define a triangle? A simple closed figure bounded by three line segments is called a triangle, named as ABC. Here ABC are called three verses of a triangle. A triangle has six parts, namely three sides AB, BC, AC, and three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. So sides of a triangle are AB, BC, CA. Three angles are angle A, angle B, angle C. In the previous class we have to learn two properties of a triangle, that is sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side and the difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than third side. That is AB plus BC, which is greater than AC, BC plus AC, which is greater than AB, AC plus AB, which is greater than BC. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. And also the difference of AB minus BC, which is less than AC, and BC minus AC, which is less than AB. Next, AC minus AB, which is less than BC. The difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than third side. So already we have to learn these two properties, and also we have to learn angle sum property. So in this triangle, how many angles are there? Three angles: angle A, angle B, angle C. So angle sum property, that is sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. This is called angle sum property. By using this property, we have to do some sums in exercise 3. So that is exercise 3, first Roman, first sum. First Roman, first sum. Exercise 3. So here angle A is x degrees, angle B is 50 degrees, angle C is 60 degrees. Find the value of the unknown x in the following triangles. So how to find x, unknown value of x? By using angle sum property, by using angle sum property. Already we know the property, that is sum of three angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. So here angle A is x degrees plus angle B is 50 degrees plus angle C is 60 degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees. 50 plus 60, 110. X degrees plus 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So x degrees is equal to 180 minus 110 degrees. So x degrees is equal to 70 degrees. Here x means that is angle A. Therefore angle A is equal to x degrees is equal to 70 degrees. Here the unknown value of x is 70. Next, second problem. First one, second problem. First one, second problem. This is a right angle triangle. Right angle is formed at P. Here angle Q is 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Angular we have to find x degrees. So we have to find the unknown value of x. Again by using angle sum property. By using angle sum property, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. That means angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Here right angle is formed at P means here angle P is 90 degrees. Angle P is 90 degrees. So angle P 90 plus angle Q already given 30 degrees plus angle R is x degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees. 90 plus 30, 120 degrees plus x degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees. So x degrees is equal to 180 minus 120. 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. So x degrees is equal to 60 degrees. Here x degrees means that is angle R. Therefore angle R is equal to x degrees is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Next second round. Find the value of the unknown x and y in the following diagrams. Second round, first one. Second Roman, first one. Second Roman, first one. This is a triangle. This is a triangle PQR. PQR. R is extended. Here the angle is 120 degrees. This is angle P is x degrees. This is y degrees. Here angle Q is 50 degrees. Angle Q is 50 degrees. So find the value of the unknown x and y in the following table. So we have to find x degrees and y degrees. So QR, this is a straight line. Here angle R forms a straight angle. Straight angle means sum of these two angles is 180. Here angle R forms a straight angle. Angle R forms a straight angle. Straight angle means here angle R is equal to 180 degrees. That means sum of these two angles, angle Y plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle Y is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Therefore angle Y is equal to 180 minus 120, 60 degrees. Therefore here Y is equal to 60 degrees. Angle Y is equal to 60 degrees. So angle Y, this is 60 degrees. So in triangle PQR, again by using angle sum property, we have to find x degrees. By angle sum property, in triangle PQR, we have to apply the angle sum property. By using angle sum property, by angle sum property, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. That means angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Angle P, that is x degrees, plus angle Q 50 degrees plus angle R 60 degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore x degrees plus 50 plus 60, 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So x degrees is equal to 180 minus 110 degrees. So x degrees is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degrees. So therefore x degrees is equal to 70 degrees and y degrees is equal to 60 degrees. So we have to find the unknown values of x and y. Next second Roman, second one. Next problem. Second Roman, second problem. This is a triangle RST. So here the angle is 80 degrees. Next here the angle is x degrees. Angle S is given, that is 50 degrees. Angle T is not given, this is y degrees. So we have to find x and y degrees. So in triangle RST, here 80 degrees and x degrees are vertically opposite angles. In a triangle, vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. That means here x degrees is equal to 80 degrees. Since vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. That means here angle x degrees is equal to 80 degrees. This is 80 degrees. Again in triangle RST, we have to apply the angle sum property. In triangle RST, by angle sum property, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. That means angle R plus angle S plus angle T is equal to 180 degrees. Angle R means 80 plus angle S means 50 degrees plus angle T means y is equal to 180 degrees. 80 plus 50, that is 130 degrees plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore y degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees, that is equal to 50 degrees. So we have to find the unknown values of x and y. That is x degrees is equal to 80 degrees and y degrees is equal to 50 degrees. So we have to find the unknown values of both x and y. Next, sixth problem. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the angles. The angles in a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the three angles of a triangle. So draw triangle ABC. This is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. Sixth problem in test book. So suppose let angle A is equal to, we have to take the variable x into 1 x degrees. Angle B is equal to 2 into x, 2x degrees. Angle C is equal to 3 into x, 3x degrees. So angle A, this is x degrees. Angle B, this is 2x degrees. Angle C, this is 3x degrees. By again using angle sum property, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Here angle A means x degrees plus angle B means 2x degrees plus angle C means 3x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. X plus 2x, 3x plus 3x, 6x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So x degrees is equal to 180 by 6. Sixth table in 180, 30 times cancel. So x degrees is equal to 30 degrees. So x is equal to 30. Next we have to find three angles. Here angle A is equal to x degrees. Here x degrees we have to find 30. Angle A is equal to 30. Angle B is equal to 2x. 2 into 30 degrees. That is equal to 2 into 30, 60 degrees. Angle B is equal, angle C is equal to 3x degrees. That is equal to 3 into 30 degrees. That is equal to 3 into 30, 90 degrees. So angle A is 30, angle B is 60, angle C is 90. So this is the right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Next one, statement. An exterior of a triangle. An exterior angle of a triangle. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to its opposite interior angles. Equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. So diagram, this is a triangle A, B, C. Extend BC to D. Through C, draw CE, which is parallel to AB. Here angle A is 1, angle B is 2, this is x degrees, this is y degrees. This is given statement. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Sum of its opposite interior angles. That means we have to do that angle ACD. This is exterior angle of triangle ABC. Angle 1, angle 2. That means angle A, angle B are opposite interior angles. So this is the given statement. Given in triangle ABC with angle ACD. Angle ACD is its exterior angle. Its exterior angle. To prove, we have to prove that angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. That means angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B. Construction. Through C, draw CE, which is parallel to BA. These two lines are parallel. CE is parallel to BA. Through C, draw the line CE, which is parallel to BA. Which is parallel to BA. Proof. So in triangle ABC, angle ACD, this is exterior angle of triangle ABC. Angle 1, angle 2 are interior opposite angles. We have to prove that angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. In this triangle, angle 1 is equal to angle X. Angle 1 is equal to angle X. Since here BA is parallel to CE. BA is parallel to CE, and also AC is a transversal. AC is a transversal. And AC is a transversal. AC is a transversal. Therefore, angle 1 and x degrees are alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles are equal. These two lines are parallel. This is a transversal. Then these two angles are alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. This is equation 1. Next, angle 2 is equal to angle y. Angle 2 is equal to angle y. Since again here BA is parallel to CE and BD is a transversal, then angle 2 and angle y are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Since BA is parallel to CE and also BD is a transversal. BD is a transversal. Therefore, corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. BA is parallel to CE. BD is a transversal. Then angle 2, angle y are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. This is equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2. 1 plus 2. That implies first one, angle 1 plus angle 2. That is equal to angle x plus angle y. Angle x plus angle y. So from the diagram, angle x plus angle y, this is total angle ACD. Angle x plus angle y means this is total angle ACD. Angle ACD is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. From the diagram, Angle 1 means angle A, angle 2 means angle B. So that is angle A plus angle B. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. The exterior angle of a triangle ACD, angle ACD is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles, angle A plus angle B. This is both interior angles, sum of interior angles. So exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. So hence proved. By using this property, we have to do some sums in exercise 4. In exercise 4, second sum. Exercise 4, second sum. For triangle ABC, find the measure of angle ACD. This is a triangle ABCD, A, B, C. Extend BC to D. This is angle ACD. Here angle A is given 66 degrees, angle B is 45 degrees. So for triangle ABC, we have to find angle ACD. In triangle ABC, find the measure of angle ACD. Already we have to prove the property that is exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. So by using that property, in triangle ABC, exterior angle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. Sum of its opposite interior angles. So exterior angle means that is angle ACD. We have to find this angle. Angle ACD is equal to sum of its opposite angles. That means angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B. That is equal to here angle A means 66 degrees. 66 degrees plus. Here angle B means 45 degrees. So that is equal to 6 plus 5, 11. So 111 degrees. 111 degrees. Therefore, exterior angle ACD is equal to 111 degrees. Next, third sum. Find the measure of angles X and Y. Third problem. Exercise 4, third sum. Find the measure of X